In this video, I will show you how to navigate the real estate market and buy a house in OneState RP. As you can see on the Google Play Store page, this is a massive open-world role-play life simulator set in a detailed copy of LA. To start your journey toward homeownership, you first need to choose a path, whether you want to be a CEO, a police officer, or even a gangster. You can see in the game screenshots that the world is filled with real players who run the businesses and the streets. To buy a house, you need to hustle, trade, and profit. The game emphasizes that your hustle defines you, so you will need to work jobs and flip deals to build up your capital. Be aware that the community feedback suggests that real estate is a significant investment. For example, some users mention that a small apartment can cost around $2 million. Since you earn money through various roles, it takes time to rise from the streets to the skyline. You will want to visit different neighborhoods in this living city to find the right property that fits your reputation. Once you have the funds, you can invest in real estate to make your mark. Owning a home isn't just about the looks. It is a central part of your online identity alongside your custom car garage. Remember that seasonal events and fresh drops can change the economy, so keep an eye on the market. That covers the basics of getting your first property in this intense mobile RP world. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more OneState tips. Drop a comment below to let me know which neighborhood you are planning to move into next.